Welcome to Buyer's Favorites. Black Friday is here, and Target's deals are more exciting than ever. From huge savings on kitchen must-haves to unbeatable discounts on tech and gadgets, this is the sale you've been waiting for. We've dug through Target's Black Friday sale to bring you the top 15 deals you just can't miss. Find all the links in the description to grab these incredible deals before they're gone. Deal 1. Wismax 24-inch. Electric wall oven with 4 cooking functions. Originally priced at $1,099, this oven is now just $599, saving you a whopping $500. With its sleek design and multiple cooking functions, this wall oven is a perfect upgrade for your kitchen. Whether you're baking, broiling, or roasting, this appliance ensures consistent, delicious results every time. Deal 2. TechF Valencera 7-piece ceramic nonstick cookware set, down to $189 from $200, saving you $11. This premium cookware set features a nonstick ceramic coating, making cooking and cleanup a breeze. It's ideal for home chefs seeking durability and elegance in their kitchen essentials. Deal 3. Emeril Lagasse Power Air Fryer Oven 360 with accessories, refurbished. A Black Friday steal at $99, down from $251, saving you $151. This versatile air fryer offers 12 cooking presets, perfect for frying, roasting, and dehydrating. Cook healthier meals with less oil while enjoying crispy, delicious results. Deal 4. Costway Electric Deep Fryer 3.2 5.3 Q12 21 cup stainless steel. Get it for just $56, down from $159, saving you $103. This deep fryer is perfect for whipping up golden fries, crispy chicken, and more. Its large capacity and adjustable temperature make it a must-have for entertaining. Deal 5. Crock-Pot 420-91290 quart capacity intelligent slow cooker, now $42, marked down from $150, saving you $73. Perfect for busy days, this slow cooker offers effortless cooking for soups, stews, and more. Let it do the work while you enjoy your day. Deal 6. Costway Electric Panini Press Grill Sandwich Maker, a must-have at $97, down from $189, saving you $92. Create cafe-quality sandwiches, paninis, and more right at home. Its non-stick surface and adjustable heat make it a versatile kitchen tool. Deal 7. Hayden Heritage 2-slice wide-slot stainless steel toaster, now $64, cut from $128, saving you $64. This stylish toaster combines functionality with aesthetics, featuring extra-wide slots for bagels and artisanal bread, perfect for your morning routine. Deal 8. Sultan 2-in-1 single-serve coffee maker for K-Cup coffee capsules. Snag it for $59, down from $99, saving you $40. Enjoy barista-quality coffee at home with this compact, easy-to-use coffee maker, compatible with K-Cups for maximum convenience. Deal 9. Costway 5-liter LCD water boiler and warmer electric, reduced to $76 from $199, saving you $123. Perfect for tea lovers, this water boiler ensures you always have hot water on demand. Its sleek design and easy-to-read display make it a kitchen essential. Deal 10. Complete Cuisine CCPM 1100 Hot Countertop Popcorn Maker, a fun buy at $28, down from $52, saving you $24. Make movie nights special with freshly popped popcorn in minutes. Its compact size makes it perfect for small spaces. Deal 11. Wolfgang Puck XL Reversible Grill Griddle. At $99, down from $199, you save $100. This 2-in-1 grill and griddle is perfect for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Cook everything from pancakes to steaks with ease. Deal 12. Costway Water Dispenser 5-gallon bottle load electric, available for $112, reduced from $299, saving you $187. This dispenser offers hot and cold water at the touch of a button, a practical and sleek addition to your home or office. Deal 13. Costway 18 Hot Dog 7-roller grill cooker machine, a party favorite at $149, down from $399, saving you $250. Great for gatherings, this roller grill can cook up to 18 hot dogs at once. Perfect for hosting events or family fun nights. Deal 14, NutriChef Multifunctional 4L Electric Frying Pan, just $54, down from $129, saving you $75. This frying pan offers versatile cooking options with adjustable temperature settings. It's perfect for frying, sautéing, and simmering. Deal 15, NutriChef Vertical Rotisserie Oven Roaster, a great deal at $122, marked down from $245, saving you $123. Roast chicken, turkey, and more with this vertical rotisserie oven. It's compact, efficient, and delivers mouth-watering results. And there you have it, the top 15 Target Black Friday deals for '24 that you absolutely need to check out. These prices won't last long, so grab your favorites while you can. Links to all these deals are in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on the best deals all year long. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.